Taas lang ng volatility talaga kasi yesterday it was up by almost 5%. The previous day it was down by almost 5%. So binawi niya lang din. Okay. So ito pong area na to, lipat ko sa 4-hour chart ha. Alright. Ito pong area na to, yan, to. This could possibly an accumulation or a reaccumulation or distribution phase. Kung distribution phase ito, we'll see a leg down, alright? Kung reaccumulation phase, we are expecting a breakout towards the upside, no? Yung break ng 38K. So sa ngayon, nandoon pa siya sa phase na yun. Kaya ako binax ko lang to eh. Hiniram ko muna, kuya nga. Okay, kaya tayo binax lang natin to eh. So hanggat nandyan po yan, nandun pa rin. If you're trading this short term, tipay lang. Diba? Tapos mabilisan TP. Ito yung maganda. Pag nag-break po ito, either taas or baba, we expect a massive move. Ang next possible na mangyari dito is magsama-sama ulit yung yellow, blue, and the price. Alam nyo naman, pag nagsasama-sama yan, nagdikit-dikit yan, massive move tayo. Ang importante, you are at the right side of the move. Or you have to ride the right side of the move. It doesn't matter kung mali kayo nung umpisa. Minsan, pagka long mo, pababa pala. Doesn't matter. Ang importante lang, pag nakita mo na pababa pala siya, sakyan mo yung pababa. Huwag mong pabayaan na maiwang ka nung baba. So kung mali ka, accept it. Okay, sa tayo ang ginagawa natin, 'di ba? We hedge it. May mga discard tayo na tinuro sa Tipay at saka sa GTF how to do it. Sakyan mo kasi massive na naman yung move nito na next, either up or down. Yun, follow for more T2 moves.